What's going on today, guys? Today we are going to be putting in the X Pipe in my car, and then you'll also see probably a part of my poker run that I did it's like 2 weeks ago. I'll add that in here at the other half once we're done putting the X Pipe in. As you can see, we got this Pandem wide body C8 Corvette here that we've been helping Zach detail, and I mean, it is a beautiful car. I love this thing. It looks so aggressive. The wing is absolutely crazy. I don't know. I just like the car. But anyway, this turd is going to be loud.
Get loud.
Exactly.
She's about to pop like popcorn.
Exactly. And I actually have the pipe right here. And so this is the X Pipe we're putting in. This is an 034 Motorsports Resonator Delete X Pipe.
Blah, blah, blah. They only want to hear the car. Trust me.
Joe has the car up really high already, in which we are going to be putting...
That is high.
Yes. Okay, don't go anymore.
Here, we need some jack stands.
So we're gonna go put jack stands in it. That thing's hot. This thing's really high up.
There you go.
And so yeah, we're gonna be pulling it out. I'm gonna be filming out throughout the entire thing, and we'll have a good time. All right, so we're underneath the car right now. Oh, his dad's Mustang's moving. So I've been looking at the instructions from 034 Motorsports, and so far what we've had to do is take the mufflers. We had to unhook the controllers for the valves, which the one on the left side, or I guess the passenger side, is all the way back by the tip, but the driver's side one is back here. I think you can see it right there actually. And then what we're supposed to do according to their instructions is take off these kind of soundproofing pads. But the thing is it talked about taking this one off, but as you can tell, I don't need to actually take this one off. All you need is to take this one off to access this bar. Yes, this one that's extremely close to our faces. Let me do a 0.5 on that. So yeah, this one right here is what we need to take off, because this resonator right here is what is coming off. And so after we get this bar off, these clamps to the mid pipes right here will come off. And I'll kind of try to record some of that process and get these off, and then all of this will go out. And from there, what we'll do is we cut around here on the pipe where it needs to be and measure so that we can install it right through here and replace this right here. All right, so here we are. We got the exhaust out. Joe, a madman. Let's take a look underneath here. So there's your mid pipes right there. And what we had to take out, so these are the whatchamacallit. This is the soundproofing, and also this kind of protects against the wiring, kind of your undercarriage. And we had to end up taking obviously both sides out to be able to access that bar that hung right underneath that I was showing you guys earlier. And so we had to take these out to be able to access the bolts to get underneath there. And then we had to pull the hangers, had to pull the rubber to get them off. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to match up the X Pipe, or the replacement, right up to this. And we're going to end up cutting around here. Oh, I need to turn the camera. We're going to cut around here to be able to attach the clamps onto, from that pipe onto the stock mufflers. And you can see they're pretty good size, but with them having the valves on them, it actually makes it really nice, because it gives this car a deep sound, but also it can make the car quiet. And I do really like that, and I enjoy that. Eventually, yes, these will probably be replaced. I think the first thing I would do first would probably be down pipes and then mid pipes as well. But eventually we'll get to that at some point in time, and I will probably not do this. Oh yes, and the taillights are now tinted as well. So what we're going to do now is we'll cut to where we are cutting to match up with this, and then we will clamp it on, and we will get this all set up so that we can install it back in. Now that we know kind of what we're doing, it should make this a lot simpler and a lot easier to do. And we should be able to get this bolted up and bolted in, and we'll be good to go. And hopefully we'll get a sound check tonight before everything is done. All right, so here we have the exhaust. We just made our line after lining it up. Joe's got the Sawzall. And so we're gonna get this cut and we're gonna get it clamped and hopefully it'll fit. We don't have to make any other like small little cut adjustments. From there, it'll clamp on to the stock mufflers and we'll head right back underneath to put it together. So
hopefully we don't mess
let's
it up too bad.
hope and pray here that everything fits okay.
I can continue cutting. Oh, there it goes.
We're free.
Dang it.
There we go.
Oh, terrifying.
A little bit,
A little bit.
but it's cut.
I'm more nervous now.
There we go. Let's hope we measured right.
Yeah.
So we now have the X Pipe on, or I guess your resonator delete. It looks so good. We have it bolted on up onto the stock mufflers. Oh, there goes Zach in the FI exhaust Stradman Corvette. Oh, jeez. You hear when he opened the valves? Look at that thing. Woo! Heard that shift is crazy. So yep, the moment of truth now, after it was
We
got
got it. I think it's good.
I think it's good too. But it's gonna be bolting it up to the mid pipe, seeing if the fitment's right.
Fitment's right. I'm
So
telling you.
I 100% agree. So
We're
let's
manifesting.
get underneath the car. Let's get her put up in. We'll get it hung, and we'll get it bolted up and see if
like
it's
me.
good. Wait, huh? So update. We're now getting all of the soundproofing back in. We'll get a little bit of some screwing action in by none other than Joe.
Do I look hot?
You do. X Pipe is in, and it fits. Stock exhaust looks completely stock and normal. There's no weird fitment. It's sitting a little weird right now just because we're trying to get everything bolted up. But once everything gets bolted up, it'll look good. Back like brand new, and we'll get a start up on it and it's here soon. It's now 11 o'clock. We started at close 7:30, 7:45, and we're finally done. And so she's finally done. We put it all together. Hopefully it's all buttoned down and all good to go. Like I said earlier, this is our stock resonator right here. And I am going to grab the keys and we're going to get our very first start up with the new X Pipe in. We're going to see kind of I'll play a clip or previous of what it sounds like before, and then I'll play one of what it sounds like now. Obviously you'll get to see the first startup and everything. I'm hoping that it's a lot louder, but also still pretty controlled. I don't want it to be super crazy, but I do want it to have a little bit more of the V8 growl, a lot of more loud, a little more tone to it, because it's kind of flat. It wasn't very loud. Like I would do a couple flybys, and it wasn't super loud. It was kind of quiet even when I flew by, and I was like, I don't really like that. I need a little bit louder. So we're making it louder, and here we go. So let's roll into that clip now.
I guess it's time for some rev clips, I think. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. Or is this exclusive on Brendan's channel?
No.
I say we send it to Brendan's channel. If you want to see the startup, go to Brendan's channel.
I'm gonna blur the noise right here. You have to watch Brendan's video.
You ready?
Go for it.
Whoa, that is way different. Okay.
We are
Don't check engine lights?
No, we're all
doing
clean and
good.
clear.
Clean.
I'm just waiting until
She sounds
it drops,
mighty
and
nice.
I'll give her some.
I love cars. What day today?
Brendan, it'll warm up once you rev it.
I don't want to blow it up.
Yeah, it's not gonna blow up, trust.
Earn more, earn more. Come on, get like 5 at least, dog.
That's all it'll do. It's got a soft limiter.
Hey, dude, it's popping.
Hey, put it in neutral and try it.
It's popping quick.
You guys couldn't hear that?
Hey, try putting it in neutral. Put it in neutral and try it. It might take off something there.
Okay. Let's see this, Brendan.
She sounds
Dude,
good.
she's
She
popping.
sounds good.
She's popping
We
a lot
like
more.
it. We like it. I love it. I love it. We're gonna have to get her out on the road, see how she feels now.
Yeah?
Might have to do that.
Besky.
So,
We're gonna get some pops going here. Get a little sound.
Ooh, that smell.
Oh, it sounds so good. Let's get a. Still nice and smooth. Sounds great. Whoa! Let's see if we can get some low end. Oh, actually.
Get a little launch control.
Can you get a little launch action going? You think?
I think yes.
Oh, you can definitely smell it's warming up. The exhaust. That sounds so much better.
That's incredible.
Oh my gosh.
That is crazy.
so good.
That's crazy.
That's so good.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
I never thought it would sound like that.
No, I
did
didn't
not think it
either.
would pop like that.
That's
it sounds
insane.
like gunshots. It's gunshots, dude. That's insane.
So I think we're gonna have to
goddamn
take this
wiggers
down our
actually
favorite
makes
road
our car.
tomorrow, Zach.
What was that?
I think we're gonna have to go down our favorite road tomorrow.
In both cars.
I think we're gonna have to finally get a nice little.
We might have to go in Idaho Falls by that road where I was Our neighbors are gonna think this is O-Block. This is O-Block now.
Oh
with
my
all the guns.
gosh.
So good.
That's incredible. Oh my gosh.
And that low end grunt.
And now we gotta get a
too.
couple more revs because it's warm now.
Now she's warm.
Let's hear
Well,
from the inside.
let's see.
Actually, oh. Okay. Good choice.
The boys approved. I think we did good. I think it was worth it. Mechanic Joe, what would you say? Was it worth it?
It is so much louder than before. We have a before and we
do?
have an after. So I think the after is absolutely insane. Way more pops. And it's just, I don't know, the low growl of the tone, amazing.
I don't get much airtime on
I
Brendan's videos, but I need to say something. I think Mechanic Joe needs spotlight in every video now.
I think he does.
Mine
Mechanic
and
Joe.
his.
From now on,
Mechanic
Joe
Joe
in
just,
every single
just
video.
helps
Yeah.
out.
Shout
so
out to
much.
Mechanic Joe.
What do we think? Let us know down in the comments.
Yes, let us know. Let us know. But effectively, that's going to end today's video. I'm so glad we were able to get this done. This was something I always wanted to do ever since I bought this car. I'm glad it's finally on. You guys will be able to see it so much more on the channel now.
And I'm definitely
And-
commenting below to have Mechanic Joe come back.
Exactly.
'Cause I'm going to comment all the comments.
We got to make sure he comes
lot of
back. He keeps coming back to
I
put
have
on more
5
mods
emails
and
for
have
a
more
reason.
fun.
Anyways, Brendan, insane build.
Give us one more. Give us one more.
More to come. More to come.
My poor neighbors. It's 11:30
Oh,
at night.
yeah, baby.
It's 11:30 at night. The
If you're in
disrespect.
Rexburg, make sure to find Brendan.
That's
The
right. That's right.
disrespect.
Look out, he's coming.
But don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.